So tell me, Mr. Beezy, who's been supplying the guns to the streets?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So you don't know what I'm talking about?
Hell no, I don't even know why y'all got me in here.
Well, this file right here, if I'm not mistaken, is Cal Beezy or is it Money Calling?
You and your friends, doing deal transactions for guns and drugs. That's you, right?
Hold up, that's not me.
We just want to know who's been supplying the guns. That's all we want to know.
We know you trap ties.
No, it's not me, bro. Y'all got the wrong guy.
I know you been spinning on the block till you get dizzy.
And we want to know.
Hey, on your block till I get this. Hey, on your block. Hey. Spinning on your block till I get dizzy. I don't give a fuck about your partners or them bitches. I'll light them up like switches. Just for talking, you can get it. Leave them swimming with them fish. Spinning on your block till I get dizzy. I don't give a fuck about your partners or them bitches. I'll rock them if he with you. Just for talking, you can get it. Just for talking, you can get it. It's Cal Beezy. Hold on, wait, run that back again. What the fuck he say? He probably sneak this and shooting slugs. He won't say my name, nigga fake. He won't bust the grape, but you know how he is. And all your homies in the background like ad-libs. Stupid bitch, how the hell you gon' come after me? Talking about somebody and she ain't even got no casualties. You ain't no gangster just because you sold an ounce of weed. And bitch, that ain't no dirty stick, you got it from Academy. Who won't smoke this rapper weed? I put that boy up in a blunt and light him like a fat stick. Ooh, this ain't no runs. I'm on that shit from yesterday again. We loop around the bend, that's why we call it spin. Rah, till I get dizzy. Serve you and your partners like the waitress at Denny's. I'll mix like a chemist. You can swimming with them fishes. Hold on, man, I done got dizzy. Now I'm back again, I ain't backing out. I'm just acting out. Finna spin on them like a frisbee when you pass it out. And fuck around and leave your house with all them hoes in it. We got the scoop, so I know who in it. Plus I woke up today, feeling like I'm on some bullshit. And I ain't got the gang with me, just a full clip. Smoking on exotic while I'm riding through your neighborhood. Trying to see if all your talking good. What's cracking? My cuz say they won't slide them like a playground. But it's too late, I'm outside where he stay now. Parked like a undercover, waiting on someone to come up. Thought you could fuck with me? That was a dumb assumption. You ain't about that 25 to life. Free my cousin Beezy, he got 25 stripes. And now I'm finna spaz out, but I hope I crash now, cause I spin him till I fucking pass out. Spinning on your block till I get dizzy. I don't give a fuck about your partners or them bitches. I'll light them up like switches. Just for talking, you can get it. Leave them swimming with them fish. Spinning on your block till I get dizzy. I don't give a fuck about your partners or them bitches. I'll rock them if he with you. Just for talking, you can get it. Just for talking, you can get it.
CO, let me get an energy.